look at the salve, hunt some cane. The hounds on the back. Farmer seen a good boar up here yesterday, so anyway, we'll see how we go. How's it going, Kelly? Grab the tracker out. Plenty of tracks here. Been wallering up in here, look. Bit of a wallow. Padding up into there. That's a good boar track, that past it there. Dogs are going up here. Let him go. Oh, Aiden and Chewy got one. Righto, we're on here. Where are they? Up here. Grab him, Packy, you alright? You got it? Righto. Woo! It was all happening there for a bit. We managed to. Odin and Chewy hit that mob there. One come out on the headland and we had Bill and Lenny there with us. Bill hit him. She ended up getting him back over behind us here, so Chubbs has gone to see if he can get Lenny off. Jesus Christ. Couldn't get him off. So Odin ended up running on. I just got him back. Yeah. Anyway, we'll go up and we'll get these pigs and we'll get a bit of a photo and whatnot for you. Very good. Walking in here, drag the pig out. It's in here somewhere. Should be able to find it easy enough, I'd think. Might be over this way, Pecker. Alright, this is that boar. Little Bill ended up pulling up. The one that come out on the headland. She done well. Little mountain pig, eh? He hasn't been in the cane long, I don't reckon. How'd you go?
Still shag, mate.
Got the other one on the back there. Oh, we'll throw them up and go show the farmer. Righto, that's them there now. He hadn't got much there. Well, we'll take them up. It's done for another hunt. Righto, we're out again for another look. Just hunting the cane again. Got Odin and Chewy on the back. Millie in the crate. See how we go anyway. Millie's just here, just ease her back into it after she overheated, so anyway, let's see how we go. Alright, so we're just driving up to a block. We hit a mob in the other day. Bloom. So the block I wanted to go to, they're cutting it right as we speak. So there goes Chewy. She's just down the road. So we'll follow them up and I'll get back to you, so. They're just going in the cane here. We're pretty keen. Fucking right next to the highway too. It's a pretty key jump, man. I think they're on here. Yep. Go on, Millie. Go on, Millie. Go on. Not a bad piece. That's a good piece. Get him, Odin. Get him too. Back at the ute now. Got the dogs back, throw them up. I'll go in and see if I can drag that pig out. Big sow. She's a fair lump of a pig. I don't know how big. She must be not in pup, in sucker. So a little chewy and Odin, but I'll go in and see if I can drag. I don't like my chances at stand over this shit. It's thick, so I'll see how I go. I'll let you know. Yo. Walking in here now, back to this pig, and I'm not gonna be able to drag it out. No way. Not by myself anyway. See how thick it is in here. Look at it. Bloody hell. Whew. Makes you wonder why we hunt cane sometimes. But if you like a challenge, cane's a challenge. So that's why we do it. But anyway, I'll talk to you when I get there. Alright, I'm back at that sow now. That's her there. Oh, I just went arse that bit. God, she'd have to be, I don't know if you can tell, but she'd have to be a good 70, 80. She's proper fat. She's bloody thick, like, you know. She's a proper good pig. I wouldn't be able to drag her out anyway, if I could. But that's her, so finally something half decent. Sow or boar, whatever, eh? Doesn't matter. Pig. So dogs done well, young dogs. So yeah, that's that. I'm in the middle of the cane block here. Anyway, you seen what happened there. I was spinning you a bit of a yarn, try and be, you know, deadly YouTuber. And yeah, a little Chewy and Odin flew off the ute and straight in here, and that's the end result. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. What's the time? Might be able to get home and make it home for the footy. Anyway, thank you very much. Right, our dogs are on. I just literally got here. Oh. Oh, he's a good pig, bud. Get on. This boar, the dogs just got. Gee, he's a good pig, eh, Chubbs?
He's a good pig, mate.
He have to go 80, eh?
I reckon he will, yeah.
Pushing it anyway. He's hollering the arse, but anyway, we'll drag him out and have a better look at him. Just got this good boar. We only just not long pulled up, let the dogs out, we're walking, as you've seen, and Chewy and Odin cruised straight down the gully, they were gone. And yeah, went in, I think they were about 250, 300 from the gate. Next we heard a couple of barks, a bit of a hit up and whatnot, and so we started legging it in here, like floating too, as we usually are. Yeah, and then we heard Millie get there and fucking, she was on then, and then, yeah, I have to give it to him, he didn't let out a noise until you stuck the F-dick in, Chubb?
Yeah.
So he'd have to, we reckon he's gonna go 80. He hasn't got much in the way of fangs. He's an old pig, I think, so I think he's a bit holler in the arse end, but he solid in the front end. He's not much of a cane pig. Not long come out of the mountains, I think, so. Anyway, we'll get a weight on him and see what he goes. We just threw this boar up here now. 92 on the dot. Nice work. Oh, very good. 92 kilo.
Nice.
Very good.